Hi, I'm Bill Cook from University of Arizona Cooperative Extension in Greenlee County, Arizona, down in the southeast portion of the state in a town called Duncan. We're looking at some pomegranates here today. You know, pomegranates don't come all ripe at once, and sometimes picking a ripe one can be a bit confusing. So we're going to talk about that a little bit. Here's a pomegranate hanging here that you can see it's still real shiny, real smooth, and you can dig your fingernail into it pretty easy. So here I have one that's getting a rough texture to the skin, and your fingernail doesn't dig into it so easy, and you'll see it's starting to get like flat spots on it. So that's a indication that they're ripe and ready to go. And of course, if you have a pomegranate, there's so many kinds, they're not all exactly the same, but that's a good starting point as you're coming into the season to pick a few and see if they're ripe enough. So let's just see how we did. And it looks to me like we got a ripe one. One way to tell for sure. Yep, that one's ripe.